Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will be sharing 10 natural remedies and health hacks for common ailments. If you're tired of relying on medication or want to explore alternative ways to take care of your health, then this video is for you. Let's get started. Our first natural remedy is a soothing tea. Tea has been used for centuries to heal and rejuvenate the body. We will show you how to prepare a special herbal tea blend that can provide relief for various ailments. Whether you're dealing with stress, indigestion, or even a sore throat, this tea will help ease your discomfort. Next, we will explore the power of essential oils. These concentrated plant extracts have incredible healing properties. We will discuss the top essential oils for common ailments such as headaches, insomnia, and muscle pain. Get ready to learn how to incorporate these oils into your daily routine for natural relief. In Scene 3, we will introduce you to some powerful superfoods that can boost your immune system and improve your overall health. From berries packed with antioxidants to green leafy vegetables loaded with vitamins, we will highlight the nutritional benefits of these foods and provide tips on how to incorporate them into your diet. Did you know that applying pressure to certain points on your body can help alleviate pain and promote healing? In this scene, we will demonstrate simple acupressure techniques that target common ailments such as headaches, nausea, and anxiety. You'll be amazed at how effective these techniques can be. In our next scene, we will show you how to create your own natural remedies at home. From homemade cough syrup to healing salves, we will guide you through the process step by step. Say goodbye to store-bought medications filled with chemicals and hello to effective, all-natural DIY remedies. We hope you enjoyed this video on natural remedies and health hacks for common ailments. Remember, these natural remedies are meant to complement medical treatment, and it's always important to consult with a healthcare professional if you have any concerns. Stay tuned for more informative videos on our channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe.